A MAP session is very much like a guided meditation where you sit back and get into a meditative state, and I work with your superconscious to issue instructions as you are following along. Our session would begin with finding a client focus. So you are trying to figure out what topic you want to work on, whether it's a relationship, maybe it's an emotion, maybe it's a situation or a life pattern that keeps reappearing. Maybe you want to bring in a job interview. So from there, I ask permission to work with your superconscious so that you know and I know that it's a collaborative effort in neutralizing memories. And then from there, we ask the superconscious, your higher self, where is that memory located? And it might be an event, it might be an emotion, it might be stored in a pattern. From there, I ask the superconscious if it needs to be explored consciously. And at that point, I would ask you to tap into the feelings, the emotions, the thoughts that were happening at the time of the event. Now, the beauty of MAP is you don't have to go into detail about the event. So you don't have to relive the event. You don't have to relive the trauma. I just need you to tap in enough to find that energy signature so that we can use the superconscious to find that memory and memories related to it and neutralize it. Now that's the beauty. The other piece that's the beauty of MAP is that it can go back to when you were non-verbal and find those energy signatures, those memories that are stored in energy as opposed to verbal language. There's also the possibility that you would need to explore something unconsciously. Maybe it's too sensitive, maybe it's too far back, maybe it is one of those childhood memories that you didn't have verbal skills for. And so then I ask you to tap into the general impression of being someone who has anxiety. Then we issue the command to treat, and we pause. We wait for that intensity to pass and process through. Once that is done, we check to see if there's still some intensity. We may loop it again. If not, we'll move on to something else because generally it's going to be stored in a couple of places. From there, what we'll do, once we're done with the session, we will ask the superconscious to replace any of the memories we worked on today with self-empowering positive memories. MAP is amazing. I hope that you would consider using it in the future.